Hello! Today we are going to study math for grade 6. The lesson that we are going to study is perpendicular bisector of a segment. There's a question we have to solve, and first I have to explain the lesson for you, then we are going to solve it. First, what is a perpendicular bisector of a segment? A perpendicular bisector of a segment is the perpendicular to that segment that passes through the midpoint. Okay, for example, this perpendicular bisector, the D, is the perpendicular bisector of A and B. So, we're going to know that we have to draw a perpendicular bisector. What are the steps that we have to draw the perpendicular bisector? Okay, first step that we have to draw the line. For example, 6 centimeters. We have to find the midpoint in 3. Then, with a ruler. Then I have to name the endpoints A and B. Then I have to get the set square ruler and put it on the perpendicular point and add the midpoint, and then draw the perpendicular line. That's why we can we can draw a perpendicular bisector line. Let's start together and draw that. We want to draw like this one, okay? Let's start. Let's read the question and understand how we solve it. Draw a perpendicular of a bisector of a segment 6 centimeters. Then name the endpoint A and B and the midpoint D and its line C. First, we have to get our pencil and underline the main notes, important notes. First, 6 centimeters, endpoints A and B, midpoint D, and the line is C. These are the important steps. First, I have to cut my ruler and draw 6 centimeters. Let me draw it. I drew the line 6 centimeters and I find the midpoint. Then I need to name this A, this endpoint A, and this endpoint B. Then I need to name the midpoint D. Not now. I have to draw the perpendicular line. I have to get my mathematics sets. My set square and put it on the line. Then draw. Let me draw. Wait. So this is a perpendicular bisector of segment. I named the line C and the midpoint D, and this is the question we answered. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Bye.